Here's a song I wrote quite a few years ago called Sailing Round the Moon. With a block of wood and a pocket knife, my grandfather could bring a ship to life. He said, I'll be the captain, you'll be the crew. There's room for the dog, maybe the goldfish too. Hoist the mainsail, where should we go today? How about the Sahara Desert, or maybe Montego Bay? He'd carve us a rocket ship and we'd sail to Mars 1,000,000 miles or so. He'd carve us a submarine, I'd be Captain Nemo 2,000 leagues below. Hey Grandpa, look, I'm Captain Hook today. Hoist the mainsail, let's go sail away. Let's go sailing round the moon. Let's go flying through the sky. We'll visit the planets and all the stars. We'll give a little wave when we get to Mars. And they can see us every night when the stars are shining bright. Let's go sailing round the moon. Little boys think their grandpas live forever. Sadly, that's not the case. Coming home late from school one day, I found relatives all over the place. I ran upstairs to put his ships away, and through my tears I could hear my grandpa say, I just went sailing round the moon. I went flying through the skies, visit the planets and all the stars. I'll give a little wave when I get to Mars. And you can see me every night when the stars are shining bright. I'll be sailing around the moon. And every once in a while, when I stare up into the night sky, I can still see him smile. See that shooting star? That's my grandpa up there, as he waves hello and goodbye one more time. He is sailing round the moon. He is flying through the sky. He visits the planets and all the stars. He gives a little wave when he gets to Mars. And I still see him every night when the stars are shining bright. He is sailing round the moon. He is sailing, flying, sailing round, sailing round, sailing round the moon. He is sailing, flying, sailing round, sailing round. He is sailing round and sailing round, sailing round the moon. I hope you like that.